share. Bring an amigo share. Amigo share.
You dey share Ojoro when you share.
Oh, yeah, share now, share. If you share, go win.
Well, we are. Wagam. You say hold on.
I will hold on, no problem.
Nza.
Take this one.
Nza. Oga no be your mate, even though say you get grey hair.
Don't enter. I will take this one.
Use a chair. Nza.
Two cards.
Nza. It is a last card. No shaking.
No win, no market.
Now we government.
You win, make I see.
Now we government. Yeah, guys, I will hold on by the okay. Never okay.
I go win.
You go win. Yeah, market. Yeah, market. Yeah, market. Yo, market. Who put this in here now? Should I tell you something? You don't put this in here.
Honey, we can't continue to be dependent on Tony, your brother. Please, you have to look for something to do so we can start getting our own money.
Honey, my brother Tony is not complaining. Or did he tell you he is?
So we have to wait till he does that? That's not right, my husband. Please. At least you can work in the company with him.
Listen, my brother Tony is much more deeper in business than I am. That's why he's handling everything.
Don't give me that flimsy excuse. I've known you for a very long time. I know you to be an intelligent and a very smart man. You're capable of handling the affairs of the company. Okay, fine. Let's assume you don't want to work with your brother in the company. Why not look for something else to do? Dabble into something else. Yes.
Alright, no problems. I'll think about it anyway.
No, don't worry. I've done the thinking for you. Since you don't want to work with your brother, maybe you can own a cement shop where you sell building materials. Yes, with your contact and that of your brother.
Honey, why are you too stubborn? Listen, if you cannot go to Tony, my brother, for anything, I can do it for you. You're too stubborn.
Really? So you'd rather stay at home and take insults from Christabel than doing something for yourself? It's okay.
Problems. Can we go now?
Oga Kingsley, you are a very nice man.
Why did you say so?
Oga, you are very nice to me. As a matter of fact, what your brother pays me at the end of the month hardly sustains my family and I. But you always give me a huge sum of money, bigger than my salary. So why can't I say you are good? In fact, you are good, my brother. You are good. Okay.
That's why you said I am a good man.
Yes, and I mean it.
It's okay. Thank God I am able to make you happy.
Thank you very much.
So did you buy the water I told you?
Oga. My mama tell me say we not forget head of meat for soup. I bought it. It's there. And the security booth.
All right.
I make I go bring that.
Get it. I'll join you soon.
Okay, let me go and get it.
All right.
Papa. Papa.
Madam. Hey. Madam Oga. Madam.
Come here.
I come.
Can you tell me the reason you were employed?
Yes. To watch the gate.
Does it include chatting with anybody?
No, not at all.
Hold your ears, old man.
Yes, one or two.
You think I'm joking? You think I called you here for a joke?
say so.
Now listen to me and listen very good.
Okay.
If you value your job in this house, do not engage in any idle discussion with anybody. If you disobey me or tell anybody that I warned you about this, consider your old poor self fired. What did I say?
You said I should consider my old poor self fired.
Good. Now get out.
Okay.
Rubbish.
One day one trouble, no. One day one wahala. Now which can life be this so? Every day palabra. We used to live in peace, so I may be one on the door. Ebata sebasa sebanunu. Ebezebia wosa sebanunu. Rapo mona wane mokaibio. Stop creating enmity. Rapo mona wane mokaibio. We used to live in peace and harmony. Your family living in peace, so they couldn't so it down. It's your luck and your boss assistant. It's your luck and your cause assistant. One day one trouble, one day one wahala. Now which can life be?
No, don't tell me that is true.
It's true.
Guy, you're funny. You're so funny.
Taylor, my guy. Well, there's something I want to discuss with you.
Okay.
It's all about your brother, Chizzy.
What about him?
You know, when we left your place, he was busy drinking and wasting his life. I'm thinking and I'm suggesting to you, if you can fix him up with something so that he can get busy. You know, people say a lot of things. Because of superstitious belief, I can squeeze you, go where you go. That is the advice I want to give to you. Please.
This is really giving me concern. My wife and friends are already complaining. What of the wagging tongues of our enemies? What do we do about this now? Chai, Ego, Ijo. My friends, all go. Huh? We're paying you so much money and you cannot even do anything. Christopher, I was watching a football match, right?
I'm watching a very important TV program, as you can see.
Why don't you go upstairs and use the bedroom TV? Why not?
Casely, like you know, I don't like small screen. Why don't you watch with the TV in your room?
Christabel, I was here before you stepped in.
So what? Casely, so what? If you want a big screen, if you want a big screen, go and buy one for yourself. My husband bought this one. Don't disturb my life.
Give me the remote.
Respect yourself. Respect yourself.
Christabel, give me the...
Christabel!
Yes.
Are you mad?
How dare you?
You want to fight?
Yes, I want to fight.
Want to fight?
Oh my God, oh my God, oh
What's-
my God, oh my God.
What's going on here? What is it? Huh?
Your brother slapped me. He punched me. Oh God, oh God. I want my shift to go. Hey.
What is it? Do you have to be so close to my wife? Why don't you ask your wife? Why don't you ask this Jezebel? You're asking me. What kind of rubbish is this
How
now?
come Jezebel?
It's yours, right?
Ah.
Are you blaming me? Instead of reprimanding your wife, you're talking to me? Brother, see, please, this is the height of it, and I won't take it. I am not going to take it. I'm not going to take it at all. Are you okay? Are you okay right now? Are you? Are you okay? It's okay. Stupid. How can you be talking nonsense? Get up. It's okay. Sorry. You couldn't have spoken to your wife about... Brother, I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. We are talking about my wife here. Please give me that respect. And because she's your wife, she has every right to insult me. Brother, please, I don't like it. Listen, I am your elder brother. Biko, don't try it again, please, brother. Don't allow me to curse you. Stupid. You don't know you're a stranger here. You don't know. I'm sorry, my dear. Sorry. If I'm not around, you can't even take care of my wife for me. Take care of your wife, someone who is so rude. I don't like it. I don't like it. Please, Biko. I'm sorry. In Amole, but stupid. Next time, we will call you collect. We will call you collect. Because she doesn't have respect. You are a stranger. You should have respect for your elders. Nonsense. Can you imagine? No, don't tell me that, Tony. This is unacceptable. Unacceptable. You saw your wife disrespecting me. Instead of disciplining her, you started talking to me. What would you have me do? You insulted me before your wife? What would you have me do, brother? Jesus. What would you have me do? You went too far. To lay your hands on my wife. Are you serious? How would you do that? That's an act of irresponsibility and violence and hooliganism. Why would you do that? Jesus, you called me a hooligan? Tony, you called me a hooligan? Why would you do that? Tony, you are a madman. Tony, you are an imbecile. I should have known. I should have known that it will come to this point someday. What did you do that I did not do? All I did for you. What did you do that I did not do? We both made the sacrifice for our own success. For our own success. You are an imbecile. Why would you call me names? Serious, Tony. Why would you call me names? Have I insulted you? Tony, would you let me be right here? I'll get out of there. Tony, are you mad? Are you killing me right now?
Stop, honey, stop! Stop! What is going on here? What is all this?
Tony, please, just stop.
All right. Tony,
Daddy, please.
Jesus. Listen to me. Give me his total lesson.
Stop.
Who the hell are you? Nonsense. That woman is my brother. Oh, William. You can't.
Hold on.
Good morning, Tony.
Good morning, my wife. Is my brother awake?
Yes, he is.
Okay.
Come in.
Honey, excuse me.
Thank you.
Tony, what are you doing here?
Brother, I've come to say that I'm sorry please forgive me. We are blood brothers. I don't even know what came over me. We're not supposed to allow Satan to come between us. Brother, please forgive. I wish I can avert that incident. Brother, I've actually scolded my wife too. She's coming after me to apologize. Please forgive me. I wish we can go to somewhere very peaceful and wonderful to talk. You know, we had an oath. And we're not supposed to stay apart from each other. Okay? Please. Please, I am sorry. I promise you that I will never allow anybody to insult you again. It will never happen again.
Anyway, it's okay, Tony. I mean, you're my beloved brother. And then I have so much respect and regards for you. Sure, undiluted love and humility is enough, right? Right? So, I forgive you sincerely. Stand up, my brother.
You've forgiven me?
Stand up.
Hey, one name.
What are brothers for?
I know you forgive me.
I forgive you. Go. Do the rest.
You see,
They want trouble, no. One day, one wahala. Now, which can life be this so? Every day, palabra. We used to live in peace, so I never pick one on the door. Ebata se basa se banono, ebese bia wosa se banono. Rapo mona wane mo kaibiyo. Stop creating enmity. Rapo mona wane mo kaibiyo. We used to live in peace and harmony. Your family living in peace, so they pulling so good down thin. It's your luck and your boss assistant. It's your luck and your cause assistant. I one day one.
Bro, good day. Bro, what is it? Your mood is not good and I've not seen you like this before. What is the matter?
Your wife, Christabel, is the matter.
Brother, my wife did what?
Your wife insulted. Your wife had the guts to insult me today. Your wife rained insults on me today.
What?
Yeah.
Brother, please, do not take it serious, okay? Do not take it to heart.
No, you can imagine.
You
can imagine.
My wife said all that to you? Excuse me.
Manza.
Excuse me. What did I do? Excuse me. Huh? What did I do? Hey, listen, let me tell you something. My elder brother is 4 years older than me. And I'm 6 years older than you. That means he's 10 years older than you. So why do you keep insulting him?
I did
Why?
not insult him.
But what?
I did not insult him. I only told him the truth.
What nonsense truth did you tell him? What nonsense truth? Huh? Why do you keep doing this? Why?
Tony, are you actually shouting at me because of your brother? I don't get this. Can't you tell your brother the truth? He's idle. He's jobless. He should get a job, be useful to himself. What is this? Tell him the truth, rather than flaying up anytime anybody talks about him like a mad bulldog.
Christabel, next time this happens, I won't take it easy with you. You better be careful. I won't take it lightly with you again. Do you understand? Christabel, be careful. Very careful.
We used to live in peace, I may pick one on the door. Ebata zebasa sebanuna, ebazebia wasa sebanuna. Rapo mona wane moka biyo. Stop creating enmity. Rapo mona wane moka biyo. We used to live in peace and harmony. Your family living in peace. They couldn't so it done. It's all like a neighbor assassin. It's all like a neighbor assassin. One day one trouble, one day one wahala. Now which can life be this so? Every day palabra. We used to live in peace.
What is it? What is it?
What's going on? Huh? Why are you doing this? What's going on?
Go and ask your brother.
What? What? Why did you say that?
I don't know. Go and ask your brother.
Babe, come on. Why are you pushing me away? When was the last time we shared intimacy? When?
I don't know. Ask your brother. He has an answer to that.
Babe, see, what you're doing now, you're actually, gradually, pushing me into another woman's arm. I hope you know.
And do I look like I care? Go and ask your brother. He has answer for everything.
Baby, come on, stop this. I don't like it, okay? When was the last time I touched you? Don't do this, please. Oh.
Okay, Rabnaka, leave me alone. You think I'm joking? Don't touch me again. Don't try it.
Are you serious?
If you want peace this night, don't touch me again.
What I paid for? Babe, I've paid for this, oh. I've paid for it.
I'll get him. Okay, respect yourself.
What is the problem now? Hey, what is the problem? Look at I'm on fire. My whole body is vibrating. Please now. Hey, please. I'm in the mood.
Mood for what? Mood for what, Oga? Eh? You're in the mood for what? You shamelessly senseless man. Mood for what? Which strength will I use to make love? Strength from white yam or abacha? To even can it all, look at the way I am sweating. You want to do? Real men who ask for this, they provide AC so that their wife can be chilled. They provide good food so that she can replenish after giving out. But your own is the opposite. Oga, why don't we go? Respect yourself.
Honey, this is why we have not been able to have kids. We are still childless. For how long are you going to continue to resist me from performing my duty as a man?
Which man? Which man? Where's the man? Mr. Man? Who told you you're a man? A man that cannot perform his duties? Or is this the only place you think your manhood is? Mba, nah. You're not a man. A man that cannot even take care of his own wife. You can't even take care of me alone. So how are you hoping to bring in an innocent child into this world? What will you feed the child? Akinagari? Eh? Do you know the price of diapers? In my price, Pampers. Do you know the price of baby milk? Do you know the price of SMA gold? Conan, Owenkema. Common custard, can you even buy custard? You cannot. So you know you have neighbors and you want to disgrace yourself. Respect yourself. Respect yourself. Allow me to sleep in peace. Oga, let me just leave this room for you. Sleep alone. Sleep in the bed. Oh, enjoy your sleep.
Come on.
That is what you like. You must frustrate every minute of your life.
We used to live in peace. I let people on the door. Ebata zebasa sebanuna. Ebezebia wosa sebanuna. Rapo mona wane mokabio. Stop creating the name.
Papa. Papa, good morning.
Okay, good morning.
How are you?
Fine, thank you. How are you doing?
Yeah, we're fine. I'm good. Bring it. Let us do the business of the day.
Okay, I'm sorry. I can't play with you.
What do you mean you cannot play with me?
I don't want to lose my job.
Papa, did anyone instruct you not to play with me? I see. Christabel is at it again, right?
Okay, I did not mention anybody's name. At all. I don't mention anybody's name at all.
Okay, so why don't you play with me? Let me see the person that will say you will not play with me.
Okay, I'm happy with this job and so that they help me here. Just let me be. I don't want to lose this job at all. No place I can go to look for another job. Nowhere. Please, just allow me.
Who amongst you here advised the gate man? Because I'm just coming from there. And I want to know who amongst you said to the gate man not to play the game with me?
Brother, I called for a meeting. And what you're saying is not as important as this meeting I called for. Huh? Please, I want you to sit down. Let's discuss.
Tony, I will not sit. I am saying something very important too.
Brother, this situation is the reason I called this meeting. And it all boils down to your sitting at home. Okay? I want you to sit down. Let's discuss. Brother, please. See, I've decided to ask you to look for a business or choose a business that you want to do so I can support you on it.
Oh, really? Nice one.
Tony, Jikwanyanga.
Hey, brother.
Are you speaking truly from your mind, or something is wrong with you? Tony, are you out of your senses? You're asking me to...
Brother, I just want to support you.
Shut up, Tony, before you get me worked up. Shut up before I flare up. Do you know what you're saying? Why are you blabbing? For crying out loud. I am saying that... Okay, Tony, listen to me. In case you did not hear me, I am just coming from the gate man's house. Usually, I want to play game. And he said that someone here told him not to play game with me. So I'm saying, who amongst you?
By the way, congratulations, businessman to be.
Thunder fire you. Daughter of a palm tapa who came to reap where she did not sow.
Onny, it's okay, please, my husband. My love, did I say anything? Why is he attacking me?
You think I do not know you were the person who told the gate man not to play game with me? You think?
I don't know what you're talking about.
That is not the point. That is not the point. I want you to choose a business so I can sponsor your needs.
Simple.
Please, that's my point.
See, listen to me, Tony. I do not allow me to come along where that brother for.
No. Where is the insult coming from? I'm only happy for him. I know, but I'm making a snap, man. Why is he insulting me?
I just want him to get easy. Have I said anything wrong?
But why did he insult me?
If I tell you that I'm happy with you, then know that I'm lying. I've given you money separately to better your life. But each time I give you money, you squander it and come back for more. Do you think I pluck money from trees? Huh?
But Tony, please, I am really sorry. I'm sorry for everything. You see, it's not as if I'm not hardworking. You see all this money you're giving to me. I try my best to invest it. But one thing or the other will come and just vanish it. I think the devil is at work. Or my village people. Please, just give me this last time. I promise. I will make you proud. Just one last chance. Biko.
Emeka.
Sister.
Emeka.
Sister.
Honestly, I am disappointed at you. Hey, man, see village people vanish.
It's the devil.
Devil, the wagon there. 3 good times, Emeka. 3 good times. My husband has given you 2 million naira. But no, you go and squander it. Do whatever I don't know with it and come back here for more. Like my husband said, do you think we'll pluck money from trees? Eh? Hey, he's a devil. Hey, you vanished. You're going to mess appearing and disappearing.
I don't know, it's the devil. Oh. It's the devil.
My love. My sweetheart. Please. Let's just give him this. Please. Just one more time. One last time. Please. Oh. Just do it for me. I know he has messed up big time. But this, just one last time. Oh, now. Oh.
Honey, it's okay. It's okay.
I know he has messed up big time. But let's give him one last chance. Just one. One now. Please, my love.
It's okay. I am going to give him a check of over 5 million.
Ah,
but that will not happen.
My friend, non-entity. You should go and hustle like every other young man. We do not pluck money from the trees. Do you hear me? Tony, you are not doing anything like that.
Brother Kingsley, please take it easy, okay?
I will not take anything easy.
I am going to take care of this.
You will not take care of anything.
Bia Kingsley, what is your problem? No, what is this? This is my brother we're talking about here, and this is my husband, and this is our personal affairs.
This your so-called husband is my kid brother. My kid brother. And this is our family affairs. I mean, our family affairs. So get that into your head, stranger.
Kingsley, please, just take it easy, okay?
Listen, if you do not live here, I'm going to lose it on you.
Kingsley,
Sister.
it's okay.
Hey, Tony.
Sister.
Tony.
It's okay. I believe this. Excuse me.
If you do not live here, I will lose it.
Listen.
What is this? You're talking to me?
Sister.
You are a stranger, my friend.
It's okay.
You are not giving this connect to any other man. So get rid of my lips. What nonsense.
Sister, don't mind that sadist, okay?
Sister, that guy is not just a sadist. He's a wizard, Ocho. Don't afford can be. God will punish him.
I'll be right back.
We used to live in peace, so I let people on the door. Ebata zebasa sebanunu, ebezebia wosa sebanunu. Rapo mona wane mokabiyo. Stop creating enmity. Rapo mona wane mokabiyo.
Brother, no matter what your take is, that was wrong. How can you embarrass me in front of my in-law? Am I still a kid?
You are acting like one. You are acting like one by trying to give him our money. Eh? You know what we went through before we made that money? Nobody came to our rescue. Nobody came to our rescue. And now you want to show that you're so good, you're so nice by giving him our money. Listen, and since when did you start making decisions without consulting me like we always do? Since when?
Brother, it's high time you realized that I'm not a baby. Okay? I'm using entirely my brain to run this business and make this money. So you have a limit of questioning my expenditure.
You lie. Tony, you lie. I am the one who makes the money too. I sacrificed everything. My future, my destiny. How can you say you're the only one making the money? How can you say that?
Amosu, Ekwensu, in human form. You see me?
Like I said, everything will be fine.
Sister, you better be you. I don't like the way they are treating you in this family. Yeah, I'll come for war. I'll come for war.
Shut up.
I'll come for war.
Shut up.
See, because I don't have money anymore. Don't worry, they will know why they call me Emi Door.
Look at this one.
Very soon.
Emi down, empty pocket.
There you go. No worry.
Hi, Christopher.
Welcome,
You're welcome.
Sister, please do everything possible to give me this money.
You should do everything possible to make good use of the money.
Sister, you know I've been trying. What have I not? I invested the first one na tire. It didn't work. Is it my fault? Every time you say, I'm not trying. Am I not trying? Please, just this last chance. Be calm. I know you're my lovely sister.
Wait, and then we are talking about that. How can Arsenal is a bad
the
club?
truth.
Arsenal is a bad club.
My love.
I know my team.
Overheard you two arguing. Is it about football?
Yeah,
This is your husband. A great argumentator.
Listen, honey, how is it that I am a great argumentator? What's it called? Someone bought a whole player, a player with so much money, and they cannot even score before the goal post, before the goalkeeper.
Does that matter?
It matters.
Okay, please, it's fine. It's fine. Please, I saw your wife, and she's not in her usual mood. She may be needing your attention.
Oh, thank you for your concern.
It's fine.
Okay, I'll be...
Check on her anyways. All right. But that doesn't stop them from scoring the goal anyways. Honey,
Arsenal winger.
you look beautiful.
Thank you.
They want trouble, no. One day, one wahala. Now, which can life be this so? Every day, palabra. We used to live in peace, so I may pick one on the door. Ebata zebasa sebanuna. Ebezebia wasa sebanuna. Rapomona.
He is nothing but an enemy of progress. That's your stupid brother. Jobless thing. You opened a business for him, but he's preventing you from giving my brother, my own blood brother, Emeka. What is it? What kind of influence does he have on you? He will tell you how to run your life, how to eat your money, how to do this, how to do that. On that big pim pim pom pom pim 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 carrymont. What is that? Eh? Give me that phone, happy phone, or generator nasu. Listen to me. Eh? Listen to me. If I ask you money for shopping, you will consult your brother. Money for soup, you will consult your brother. What is going on? What is the problem? Can he fall off? What is it? I am your wife and the MD of the company. You should listen to me. And what do you think you're going to? No, I'm calling. Eh? What are you going to do? What is it you're going to do? Because it's not your brother. Open on your brother and you will listen to him.
What are you doing with our portraits?
Take this trash out of my living room.
I know exactly what you want, but I'm not ready for it. I'm too busy for it, as a matter of fact.
I don't want to say it again.
You must be hallucinating. It is well. Check if we'll have Uncle Jean in 42.
Okay, what size?
42. The Abuja customer, that lady, she wants it. 2 pairs of it, okay?
Okay.
So check and confirm. If we have to be able to have right now.
Any color in particular?
Blue. All right.
Lucia!
Look who we have here! My madam. I missed you too.
Lucia.
Yes,
you're
madam.
looking so beautiful.
Just like you as always. Do you know I've been skeptical? I'm like, are you sure madam will come?
I must come now.
Thank God you're here. So, this is my small shop.
Small? You call this shop small? Lucia, you're not serious. Wow,
This is my
beautiful.
new place.
I am so happy for you.
Thank you. So we do basically on Turkey wears. You can come,
Lucia,
Let me take you
Lucia.
around. We have caps, belts, sunglasses, bags, jeans, anything.
I can see them. Eh?
Onny.
Okay.
Onny, okay.
Here goes again.
Okay.
Okay, then.
Now, since 3 days here, man, nobody has come to ask me, okay,
Brother, see, you
Okay,
just have to while away time here, okay?
What are you
Just
saying?
while away time with it.
You
Don't
two
worry,
come and while away time with this. Come and while away time with this.
Brother, we have to do this. You know what is at stake, eh?
You know, see, both of us, you and I know that it will not work. Why? What is the need of me coming here to waste my time all day?
Because you're doing it to shut these inquisitive women up. Let's just shut them up for
Really?
the time.
Really, Tony?
Yes.
Come and do it to shut them up. How can you be in the office collecting AC, taking AC, and I am here collecting dust from cement?
Brother, you just have to be here.
You see, you're just here a few minutes and you're sweating, you're doing like this. Can you get the name and can go? Come here and stay.
Just manage it for now. Oh, manage it for now. Eh? I have an appointment I need to meet up with now.
Really?
Yes.
Really? Okay, for appointment, I get me together. Why are you doing this?
You're not according.
Just while I wait time with this.
Why there wait? Give me while I wait time.
You can stop here.
You don't you come and sell it. You know, some can stop.
Brother, I will see you.
And genuinely, listen, no, for real. I mean, come here and stay and give an office. What are you saying? Okay, Akodi. Only is Racheal to that and he knows what I'm going to do. Oh yeah, Racheal. So why the raw? And I can I will lock up this cement or I back congeal or they congealed cement. So I'm your elder brother. Yeah, yes.
No, Obiano, you keep the money, please. Keep the money. You know why? The other day, I was in a fix. That mechanic wanted to, not even wanted to, he embarrassed me. But you just came to my rescue. Are you understanding me? So, I don't know what I would have done that very day without you. Please, just keep it, okay? Keep it, right?
It's nothing, Oga Akuma. You're a good man also. I mean, very good that you deserve even more. Your wife is sure lucky to have you as a husband.
Okay.
Thanks for the kindness.
Don't worry, okay? Don't worry. Yeah?
It's as if you know I don't even have anything.
I'm indebted to you, okay? You don't know what you did for me that very day. I swear I'm indebted to you, Obiano. Yeah?
Thank you.
Just take care of yourself.
Thank you.
Take care. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, take care.
All right. Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you.
Bye-bye.
Stop there.
Me, baby.
And maybe be wagon. Husband snatcher. Honority. Congratulations, you have made it in life. So this is what you now do. Snatching people's husband because you cannot find your own. Obiageri, you not snatch people's husband. Hey, you push come and hear. Obiageri, I saw you with my 2 eyes. So my husband now drives you around the village for free and even surrenders all his daily income to you. Okay? How will you understand?
What are you talking about?
I will make you understand. I will make you understand. How will you know? How will you know? Today you will know. I will make you understand today. You will face on stand today and understand. You understand today. You understand. Next time you see my husband, you will run. If you see my husband, avoid him. If you see my husband, avoid him. Avoid my baby. Avoid my husband. Avoid my husband. Avoid him. Avoid him. You eat sand today. You don't have sense. Something will do you today. Hand go touch you today.
Amaka, did you see my bike key?
Bike be wagon. Okay. As a bike be wagon. You're such a shameless man. You're such a senselessly shameless man.
Amaka, me.
Can you look, just look at you. So all you do in this village is gallivant around with women. Okay? Akuma, you go and come back and tell me you don't make money. Whereas you're out there doing daily contribution and accounts for different girls. You're there giving them all the money that you're making. Hey Akuma, you don't have sense. You don't have sense. Go and ask that your Okonkwo Benuju. Go and ask her what I did to her today. Go and ask her. Hand really touch her. And as for you, when I have time for you, I won't even think about it. Mom. I will not think twice. You're looking for bike key. Naya, look at bike key. Your hand can never touch this bike key till further notice. This bike, I have seized it. Until you're ready to act like a man and give me the money that I've been asking for, you cannot touch this bike. You think I'm joking with you? This bike now belongs to me till further notice.
What is happening to me? I have sold goods worth more than 600,000 naira Yet the money is decreasing as if I haven't disposed anything. Why is money disappearing from this shop? This is strange. Since Tony, my husband's brother, opened this boutique for me, I've not made any complete account regarding to the sales. I don't really get it. I'm not making any headway at all. I will not sit, fold my arms and watch things go wrong. It is not possible.
Baby, what you narrated to me is so strange.
It has constantly happened for 6 months. What if your brother comes tomorrow and perhaps asks for an account? What do I tell him?
No. My brother wouldn't do a thing like that. He likes minding his business.
What are we going to do about this odd incident of unnecessary disappearance of money?
Baby, I think someone I do not know is stealing from me. Maybe we get a security camera.
I have a security camera. I've checked it severally and I didn't see anyone stealing from me, not even my sales rep.
In that case, since you've done that, why... We'll be on the lookout anyways. We'll be on the lookout.
I even spoke to the plaza security people. And they said they have never seen anyone coming out of my shop or going inside my shop. So this is totally strange to me. But like you said, let's just be on the lookout. But we really need to find a way to end this mess. I'll soon be going back to the house. Let me go and fix dinner. So are you coming with me?
No, baby, I will not. I'll come back with my hands, my prince.
Oh my baby. How certain are you that it's
Okay, I will make you a transfer before I leave this month.
Which transfer? No, which transfer? Eh? Which transfer? Nebe. Okay, Morgan. So this early morning you are here begging. Eh? You can't even allow us to sleep very well. Why have you decided to make yourself a perpetual beggar? Eh? I thought my husband opened the shop for you. You should be able to sort yourself out from there. But no, you are here begging. Every time.
Christabel, stop it. Stop it now.
Stop what?
Christabel, stop it. What's your business there?
My business there.
It's your concern. Obasagi? Stop
Christabel, were you talking to me?
I'm talking to myself.
Forgive her, please.
Forgive who? Forgive who? Forgive who? For what?
Please,
Tony.
What is he doing here this early morning?
Stop this. Stop it. Bro, I am sorry. I'm going to make the transfer, okay?
You're not making any transfer. Oh. That transfer, you're not making any transfer.
Anyway, I'll see you later.
No, come and stay. In fact, come and lie down in the middle.
Christabel,
stop
it.
Christabel, are you really talking to me?
No, I'm talking to myself.
Stop it.
I'll bite you. What is that?
Bro, please, I will see you, okay?
Yeah.